it's Jen and I'm back with last month's edition of Ipsy's bag. I didn't get a chance to film it, but here's the package that I received in the mail, yes, a month ago. So this month's bag was the prettiest bag I've probably ever seen, and it is metallic with studs. So adorable, I love it. And the first thing in this bag, because we'll just get right into it, is Borijo, if that's how you pronounce it. It is a deep conditioning mask. Don't despair, repair. And the next item I found here is Crown Brush. It's a dual-ended eyeshadow brush. Here's the crease and the shadow. And these bristles actually seem very, very good quality. And here we have a Pacifica. Looks like an eyeliner. A super nice brown. And we also received a NYX eyeshadow. And this one is called Arrogance. There's your color. And the last item I see in this bag, it's a Hikari lipstick. The color is Cabaret. Let's open this up. Never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try it. It's nice, sleek packaging. And that's your lipstick there. Well guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!